Hello, I'm Pinellas County Commission Chair Pat Gerard. Thank you for joining me for this week's update about the county's COVID-19 response. Earlier today, the Department of Health shared the latest report for Pinellas County. As of this broadcast, we have 557 local cases of coronavirus, with 112 hospitalizations and, sadly, 15 deaths. Our sincere condolences go out to these families affected by COVID-19. If you or someone you know is concerned about testing for COVID-19, call the local Department of Health at the number shown on the screen. The department offers no-cost testing services for those who have symptoms and who are at high risk. Those include individuals who are 65 or older, people who have underlying medical conditions, or healthcare workers or first responders. Also, Baycare at Carillon continues to do drive-through testing, but you need an appointment. Call Baycare before going for a test. Learn more at baycareanywhere.org. I want to remind everyone that we are still under the governor's statewide order that requires all residents to stay home except for essential services or essential work. The state has issued the list of what is considered essential. At the county, it's our job to implement the state order as issued, with law enforcement making sure that we have compliance. Yesterday, the County Commission unanimously voted to extend the local state of emergency until April 23rd. Beaches remain closed, however, most county parks, preserves, and the Pinellas Trail remain open. These are difficult decisions, and we don't take them lightly. Although we are optimistic and hopeful for our future, right now we must put the safety of our community first. I also know that this crisis and the temporary closing of businesses has been devastating for many of us. So I want to share some things the county is doing to help individuals, families, and businesses that are struggling the most during this time. Yesterday, we directed staff to expedite local programs to help individuals and businesses under the Federal CARES Act. The county has already established a working group to plan for the distribution of the funds once we receive the CARES Act federal guidelines. We will share updates as soon as they are available. We have many resources available for businesses on our COVID-19 resource website. Businesses that are struggling financially will find links to current loan and grant programs by visiting pced.org. Also, Visit St. Pete Clearwater will be hosting a webinar next week on Thursday for our travel and tourism partners. You can find more details on the website shown on the screen. Our COVID-19 website also has information for residents, including where to go for unemployment assistance, free meal sites, behavioral health support, and resources for seniors. We have just updated the site with a toolkit for making the most of your time at home. This week, people started receiving the federal stimulus payments. Unfortunately, we've heard about scammers attempting to steal your money and information through COVID-related schemes. The IRS will not call you to ask for your bank account to deposit the check. If you get a call like this, it is a scam. Don't click on links or open emails from sources you're not familiar with. Don't answer telephones from numbers you don't recognize. Ignore offers for COVID-19 treatments, vaccines, or home testing kits. And be aware of mail scams. Your stimulus check will automatically be direct deposited or mailed to you by the IRS. To report suspected COVID-19 related fraud, contact the National Center for Disaster Fraud hotline at 1-866-720-4721 or at disaster@leo.gov. For more information on scams, visit pinellascounty.org/consumer. Everyone is under a lot of stress right now. It's disheartening to say, but that can increase the risk of domestic violence. We ask you to keep your neighbors in mind and take note of any significant changes in their behavior. Reach out if you or someone you know needs help. Please call the CASA or Community Action Stops Abuse hotline at the number shown on the screen. All services and conversations are confidential. Directions for Living is running an emotional support line for English and Spanish speakers. If you feel you need to talk to someone, give them a call at the number shown on the screen. The county hosted a Facebook Live event with the CEO of Directions for Living, April Lott, this week. Since the event, we've seen about a 50% jump in calls to the hotline. If you were unable to watch it live, you can still view the event on our Facebook page. Here are some other things our various working groups at the county have been up to over the past week. Our Community Wellbeing Work Group continues to tap local volunteers to conduct wellness checks on seniors who live alone. The Department of Health and partners are working with senior living facilities to assess residents and provide transportation to hospitals when needed, as you may have seen in the news. Special thanks to all our first responders for their ongoing collaboration and fast response. The Nursing Home and ALF Work Group established a contract with a local company to transport COVID-19 positive patients to dialysis appointments. The company can accommodate wheelchair-bound and ambulatory transports. To schedule a transport, a patient or dialysis provider can call the EOC operations desk to schedule transportation at the number shown on the screen from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. To schedule rides, residents must call a day in advance. If a ride needs to be scheduled immediately outside of operating hours, residents are asked to call 911. Our hospital work group continues to coordinate with hospital partners to finalize surge plans and to procure enough PPE to carry them through a spike in COVID-19 patients. Our fire and EMS agencies are also talking on a daily basis to make sure first responders have sufficient PPE gear and to coordinate response efforts. Our logistics work group continues to oversee the Pinellas County staging area in charge of receiving supplies and prioritizing disbursement. The work group has fulfilled more than 800 requests for supplies. Pinellas County is also now accepting donations of clean, homemade cloth face coverings to help keep COVID-19 from spreading. The face coverings will be collected and donated to vulnerable populations. Groups willing to assist with distribution or coordination of a large donation can email the address shown on the screen. I want to reiterate our thanks to all our agencies, employees, first responders, and partners who continue to keep services going while still responding to this crisis. And thank you again for taking care of yourself and each other. Our compassion and commitment to continuing to do the right thing will save lives. Keep your loved ones safe by following the social distancing guidelines and safer at home orders. Show your support for our local healthcare workers and first responders by staying home and only going out for essential needs and activities. Protect them so they can protect us. Thank you for helping us beat COVID-19. Have a safe afternoon and weekend at home.